Here's some puzzle craze trivia. Subscribe. Which classic game involves dropping pieces into a vertical grid to align four in a row? Is it A. Tetris, B. Jenga, C. Battleship, or D. Connect Four? The correct answer is D. Connect Four. What is the name of the puzzle game that involves sliding tiles into an empty space to form a picture? Is it A. Rubik's Cube, B. Jigsaw Challenge, C. Sudoku game, or D. Sliding puzzle? The correct answer is D. Sliding puzzle. Which number puzzle often has players deduce the value based on given digits and clues? Is it A. Ken, B. Crossword, C. Sudoku, or D. Bingo? The correct answer is A. Ken. What viral puzzle game involves guessing words based on 6 attempts? Is it A. Sudoku, B. Hangman, C. Wordle, or D. Scrabble? The correct answer is C. Wordle. What type of puzzle consists of smartphones' images to find hidden differences? Is it A. Memory game, B. Spot the difference, C. Jigsaw puzzle, or D. Matching pairs? The correct answer is B. Spot the difference. Which historical French puzzle combines words with clues for their discovery? Is it A. Acrostic, B. Cryptic crossword, C. Word search, or D. Jumble? The correct answer is A. Acrostic. What DIY puzzle game combines mapping and strategy with problem solving? Is it A. Escape room, B. Board game, C. Treasure hunt, or D. Puzzle adventure? The correct answer is A. Escape room. What is the name of a puzzle using numbers arranged in a square with a target sum? Is it A. Magic square, B. Number grid, C. Cube puzzle, or D. Sudoku? The correct answer is A. Magic square. Which popular puzzle involves unscrambling letters to form a word vertically or horizontally? Is it A. Word scramble, B. Jumble, C. Sudoku, or D. Crossword puzzle? The correct answer is A. Word scramble. What type of puzzle combines map navigation with clue solving in an outdoor setting? Is it A. Treasure hunting, B. Geocaching, C. Orienteering, or D. GPS tagging? The correct answer is B. Geocaching. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.